What was slavery in Africa like before Europeans arrived?
Slavery existed in Africa long before Europeans arrived. But it was not the same system Europe would build. In African societies, captivity was often temporary. Prisoners of war, criminals, or debtors might work for a set time. Some even married into the community. Others earned their freedom. Children of captives were often born free. Captives kept their names, languages, and cultures. In many cases, they became part of the society that once held them. The purpose was labor and integration. It was not lifelong slavery. When Europeans arrived, they saw these customs, then they twisted them. Temporary service became permanent removal. The possibility of freedom disappeared. Europeans also spread ideas to justify what they were doing. Europeans used degrading language to describe Africans. They called them uncivilized and claimed Africa was a land of savages. These lies spread across Europe to justify conquest. The mission was presented as bringing civilization, and the removal of Africans was framed as rescue rather than theft. But the lies did not stop there. Europeans spread false stories inside Africa itself. Small disagreements were stirred until they became serious conflicts. Rival tribes were told their neighbors were secretly trading with Europeans, creating suspicion on both sides. And the offer of weapons went to one side in return for fighting the other. Promises of protection were given to leaders who broke alliances with their neighbors. These tactics deepened distrust between tribes. Old alliances broke apart. Wars became longer and bloodier. And through it all, Europe was ready to collect the captives and the profits. The slavery Africa knew was nothing like the Atlantic slave trade created by Europe. Europe did not just take people. It stole generations yet to be born, and planned for them never to return. If you want to know why Africa was the target in the first place, watch The Scramble for Africa next.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.